was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
There. See if you can make it around there and come off the branch and go off into it. There we go. You got this guy. It's gonna get hard right about actually that branch sticking out. It's like a side hill. That'll get numb. That'll help you feel good again. After, when Y gets close, don't get in the way, okay? I think you're tired of ripping up because all this stuff here is soft. You're tired of digging it up. You okay? You good, bud? Back there's on the edge now.
Right, look at me.
There you go. Up. Right on the edge here, so it's perfect for your eyes. Stand going farther this way.
Look at me, look at me,
Your idea. I know you
yeah.
come up here, very slowly, lump it over. Okay? And you gotta try that one to actually get down, or just go try to move on that one.
Well, not the way I envisioned ending this video. Before I get to that, this truck is awesome. This is now one of my new favorite rigs to run. It's just so capable. Unfortunately, I didn't get the chance to show it in this video. It did develop a clicking noise of some sort. I haven't diagnosed what exactly it is yet. I did check the spur gear on it. Doesn't appear to be damaged. The motor didn't shift or anything like that. So it's something internal. It sounds like it's coming from the transmission. So maybe I didn't do something. Something came loose. I will dig into it and find out. For those of you that don't know, I am running the Hobbywing Fusion 1800 kV motor in this thing. It was running on 3S in the video. And give it that extra punch. I am slowly retiring some of my 2S batteries, and moving forward, my competition rigs are going to be running 3S whenever we get back to competitions. So I know in the video I didn't really get a chance to show just what this truck is capable of. I stopped driving it because I didn't really want to cause any more damage. There's a bunch of things I want to do to this truck coming down the road. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take this truck up to Bracebridge Mountain. Now, those of you that don't know what Bracebridge Mountain is, I'm going to pop some video, one of those link things, whatever you call them, up here. You can see a video of, I believe, the SCX-10 III. was up at Bracebridge Mountain last, and it's a very rough terrain, and it can get very hot or very cold depending on the time of year you go. I don't know how cold it gets. It is more north than where I live here in Ontario. I try to stay away from that time of year. So, yeah, we'll take it up there and we'll really put it through its paces. The plan for this truck is unofficially, I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking of going with the, what do they call it? The independent kit for the front that Element makes. Something different. I know other guys have done it on the Gatekeeper, but I don't have any independent rock crawlers. This is going to be my 12-hour fix enduro whenever I am allowed to go to an event like that. The team, myself, Rich, Ash, we've basically decided that we're just gonna wait till 2022 now. Unfortunately, that's just the hand we've been dealt. That aside, I'm rambling on. So this truck going up the Bracebridge Mountain, once I diagnose what's going on inside, and we'll really put it through its paces and we'll get a better running video. So that is it. This is the first run of my Element Enduro Gatekeeper, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, happy trails.